Do you wish you had a template that houses all of your Medium content, links, and publications? Do you wish you had one central place to reference all of your Medium articles without flipping through your stories links? Do you wish you could have a database that allows you to search for your articles and run automations through it? Like automate posting your articles to social media? Or Google Docs to Medium? If only you found out about this Medium database sooner. Let's be honest, your Google Sheets document is not working for you anymore, and definitely won't work for you when you have 50+ articles. What if I told you, you don't have to paste your article links to a spreadsheet the moment your article goes live? Or that the minute your Medium story is live, you automatically post to social media? Sounds dreamy, I know. But here in Tina Corner we are about turning dreams into a reality. Let's get into it. Where do I get my Medium database? How do I set it up? You can purchase your Medium database here. Follow me and use the code FOLLOWER to get 20% off. Here's a sneak peek into how the database looks and works. https://youtube.b/41hdbq80r0. When you purchase the Medium database, you'll also receive a plug-and-play bonus to automate your Google Docs to Medium. You can say bye-bye to copying and pasting your articles to Medium. What automations work well with the Medium database? I highly recommend looking at these automations that integrate well with your Medium database. https://lifewithtina.medium.com/list/content automation F902D67A0C06. You can be one step closer to getting a 5-day weekend. https://medium.com/thesidehustleclub/how to build a 5-day weekend content business 48590BA4F608. FAQs. Do I need to pay monthly for the database? Nope. It's one payment forever. You simply install the database and review the mini course attached to it. It will show you how to set up your Google Docs to Medium automation. Do I need to have a technical background to set this up? Absolutely not. We may be masters of automation over here, but if you know how to click a few buttons, you should be all ready to go. We also give you a mini course showing you how to set up the automation. What tools do I need to invest in for this automation? You will primarily use 2 tools: Airtable, Zapier. Airtable has a free plan that works well with this database. I've been on their free plan for years, so you don't have to worry about adding another expense to your bottom line. Zapier is our favorite automation tool. It's a no-code platform and is fairly straightforward to set up. You can be on their starter plan. You can check out pricing here.